ተማሪዎች እንዴት ናችሁ? ባለፈው ሳምንት ያየነውን ነገር እንዳያችሁት እርግጠኛ ነኝ። እያነበባችሁ እንደሆነ ደግሞ ምንም አይነት ጥርጥር የለኝም። እንዴት ነው ሌሰኑ እየደላችሁ ነው? ስለዚህ ያመለጣችሁ ነገር ካለ ደግሞ ዳውንሎድ እያደረጋችሁ ማየት ይኖርባችኋል። ምክንያቱም ትምህርቱ ተከታታይ እንዲሆንላችሁ በትኩረት ፕሮግራሞቹን እያያችሁ ሁሉንም ትምህርት መከታተል ይኖርባችኋል። ወደ ዛሬው ክላስ እንሄዳለን ማለት ነው። Okay, in today's discuss about the second balancing method. By the way, you know the first method and last time discuss about the first method is balance redox reaction using changing oxidation number method. By changing oxidation number method, that is balanced. The second one is balancing redox reaction. Balancing redox reaction using ion electron method. In last class, you know what mean by reduction, what mean by oxidation, and also what mean by redox reaction. Therefore, in today's focus on balancing redox reaction using ion electron method. In an ion electron method, there are two methods. One is in acidic media. The other one is in basic media. Please, students, read your textbooks for the rules of ion electron method. Example 1. Iron plus 2 plus Cr2O7 2 minus converted into iron plus 3 plus chromium plus 3 in acidic media. In acidic media. Because there are two types of method. One is ion electron method. The other one is changing oxidation number method. By using in ion electron method, one is in acidic media. The other one is what? In basic media. Therefore, in acidic media, balance this method or this ion electron method by using acidic media. Different rule. Please, students, read all the material from your textbooks. Therefore, the first rule is select two half fractions. Select two half fraction. That means select two half fraction means one is reduction half fraction. The other one is what? Oxidation half fraction. Therefore, the first one is chromium 2O7 2 minus converted into chromium plus 3. Cr2O7 2 minus converted into chromium plus 3. The second one is iron plus 2 converted into iron plus 3. By the way, one is reduction, the other one is oxidation. Look, in this case, chromium is oxidation number plus 6. In this case, chromium is oxidation number plus 3. The oxidation number of chromium is decreases. Therefore, this one is reduction half reaction. This one is iron is plus 2. The oxidation number of iron is plus 3. Therefore, it increases by how much? By 1. Therefore, this one is oxidation half reaction. One is reduction half reaction. The other one is oxidation half reaction. Therefore, the first rule is what? Select two half reaction. The first one is reduction half reaction. The second one is oxidation half reaction. In reduction half reaction, oxidation number is decreases. In oxidation half reaction, the oxidation number is increases. Then balance reduction half reaction, then oxidation half reaction, or vice versa. Therefore, Cr2O7 2 minus converted into Cr plus 3. First, select two half fraction. The second step is balance the atom other than hydrogen and oxygen. Look at this half reaction. Cr2O7 2 minus converted into Cr plus 3. Therefore, balance the atom other than hydrogen and oxygen. Therefore, which atoms are present other than hydrogen and oxygen? Already chromium. How many chromium? In the reactant position, 2 chromium. In product position is 1 chromium. Therefore, uses 2 here. Why 2? Because subscript 2. 2 chromium, 2 chromium. Then, the second step is balance the oxygen atom. By addition of what? By addition of water molecule to the deficient sides. Look, in the reactant side, 7 oxygen. In product side, there is no any oxygen. Therefore, adding of 7H2O. Why 7H2O? Because 1 H2O contains how many oxygen? 1 oxygen. 2 oxygen, 2 water molecule, it contains 2 oxygen. 7 water molecule, it contains 7 oxygen. Because of that, 7 oxygen adding of 7 water. What is the next step? The next step is balance hydrogen. Balance hydrogen by addition of what? H plus. Look, 7 times 2, 14 hydrogen. How many hydrogen in reactant position? There is no any hydrogen. Therefore, adding of in reactant position 14 H plus. Look, first 2 chromium add 2, 7 oxygen add 7 water because of 7 oxygen. Then 7 times 2, 14 hydrogen. There is no any hydrogen in reactant position. Because of that, adding so 14 hydrogen in reactant position. The final state is, in this case, from this half reaction is balance the charge. Balance the charge by what? Balance the charge by addition of electron. Therefore, look, 14 times plus, plus 14. Plus 14. 1 times 2 minus, already 2 minus. 2 times plus 3, plus 6. In the case of water, there is no charge. Because of that, this is 0. Therefore, plus 14 plus 2 minus is how much? Plus 40 plus 2 minus is plus 12. This one is plus 6. Now, the number of charges are equal? No. The difference is how much? 6. Therefore, the charge is balanced by addition of electron. Why 6 electron? Because in the reactant position, total charge is positive 12. In product position, positive 6. The charge is not equal. By addition of how many electron? By addition of 6 electron, this half reaction is balanced. Which one? The reduction half reaction is already balanced. Therefore, this one is reduction half reaction. The second step, again, a similar way, balance oxidation half reaction. Now, iron plus 2 converted into iron plus 3. What is the first step? The first step, balance the atom other than hydrogen and oxygen. Already iron. Iron is balanced. What is the second step? Balance oxygen by addition of what? Water. Already there is no oxygen. Oxygen is balanced. There is no oxygen. There is no hydrogen. There is no RH plus. The final step, balance the charge. Plus 2 plus 3. The charge is not equal. By addition of 1 electron, this equation is balanced. By the way, in the case of reduction, electron is in reactant position. In the case of oxidation, electron is in product position. Now, then the second step, this is reduction half reaction is already balanced. This is oxidation half reaction. Oxidation half reaction is balanced. But, you know, in redox reaction, the number of losing electrons and the number of gaining electrons must be equal. Now, in this case, the number of losing and gaining electrons are not equal. The number of losing electrons is already 1. The number of gaining electrons is 6. Student, the number of electrons are equal. No. Then, the oxidation half reaction must be balanced by 6. Because of the 6, by using in mathematical Ellis multiple method, oxidation half reaction already multiplied by 6, but reduction half reaction simply multiplied by 1 because of this 1 electron. Therefore, this oxidation half reaction must be multiplied by 6. Then 6 iron plus 2 converted into 6 iron plus 2 plus 6 electron. Look, students, the number of electrons is equal. Finally, writes net equation. The final equation, net equation, overall equation or net equation is overall reaction. Write the overall reaction. The overall reaction means simply cancel. Look, 6 electron is cancelled by 6 electron. The other equation is net equation. Now 14H plus this one plus Cr2O7 2 minus again this one. Another reactant position is from the oxidation. Reactant position is 6Fe plus 2 converted into, in product position, 2 chromium plus 3 plus in product position 7H2O plus 6F iron plus 3. Now 14 hydrogen, 7 times 2, 14 hydrogen, already 2 chromium, 6 iron. What's the other atom? Already the charge. The charge, 14 times plus 14, 1 times 2 minus, 2 minus, 6 times plus 12, 12 plus 40, 26, 2 minus 24. In reactant position, 24 electron. In product position again, plus 24. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 3, 18, plus 6, 24. Therefore, this equation is balanced. In which method? In ion electron method of inacidic media. Look the second example. Okay, the second example is Mn plus 2 plus BiO3 minus converted into MnO4 minus plus Bi. By the way, students, what is Bi? Bi, bromine or bismuth? Bi is bismuth. Therefore, this is one equation in ion electron method. This is in basic media, because the first example is in acidic media. This one is in basic media. In basic media, the only difference in the final stage convert in basic media in the forms of OH minus. Students, what is the first step? What is the first step? The first step is select two half fractions. One is oxidation half fraction. The second one is reduction half fraction. Therefore, look this one. Mn manganite plus 2 converted into MnO4 minus. The other one is BiO3 minus converted into Bi. One is oxidation, the other one is reduction. In this case, the oxidation number of manganese is plus 2. Why plus 2? Already this is charged. The charge of manganese is plus 2. The oxidation number of Mn in MnO4 minus is plus 7. You know the rules. Therefore, plus 2 converted into plus 7. The oxidation number is increases. Therefore, this one is oxidation half reaction. By the way, if this one is oxidation half reaction, this one is must be reduction half reaction. Why? Because bismuth, in this case, the oxidation number is plus 5. The oxidation number of bismuth is 0. Why 0? Because oxidation number of any free element in a neutral state is 0. Therefore, this one is reduction half reaction. Then, first oxidation half reaction is balance, then reduction half reaction balance, or vice versa. Look, Mn manganese plus 2 converted into MnO4 minus. Students, what is the first step in this case? Balance manganese, balance the charge, balance the hydrogen, or balance the oxygen? Yes? Excellent, excellent. First, balance oxygen. Because the first step is balance manganese, but already manganese is balanced. The next step is balance oxygen. Balance oxygen by what? By addition of H plus? By addition of water? Balance oxygen by addition of H2O. By H2O. One H2O means one water molecule. One water molecule, it contains only one oxygen. Now the number of oxygen is already 4. Therefore, in reactant position, addition of 4H2O. Why 4H2O? Because of 4 oxygens are deficient in reactant position. 4H2O is added in reactant position. Then balance hydrogen atom. Look, in product position, there is no hydrogen. In reactant position, how many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen or 8 hydrogen? 8 hydrogen, because 4 times 2 is 8 hydrogen. The deficient of hydrogen is in product position. How much? 8. Therefore, 8 H plus in product position because of the deficiency of hydrogen. The next step is balance the charge. Look, the charge. Already manganese is plus 2 in reactant position. Manga MnO4 minus, the charge is -1. 8H plus, the charge is 8 plus. Total charge for product position is +7. Here, +2. Therefore, the difference is how much? How many electrons are added? How many electrons are added? 5 electrons. Because -8 plus with 1 minus 7 plus. This is +2. +2 and +7 not equal. Now, here 5 electron is added. Why 5 electron added? Because already manganese +2 converted into 7. 2 converted into 7, the change is 5. 5 electron. Already here oxidation half reaction. Similarly, reduction half reaction balanced in a similar way. Look, BiO3 minus converted into Bi. This is a reduction half reaction. Mn +2 converted into MnO4 minus. In product position 4 oxygen, 4 H2 must be added because of oxygen. 4 times 2, 8 hydrogen, 8H plus is added in product position. The next step is the charge must be balanced. Water, there is no charge. Manganese already +2. MnO4 minus, the charge is -1. 8H plus, the charge is +8. +8 with -1, the charge is +7. In product position, +7. In reactant position, +2. Therefore, the charge is not equal. Because of this, 5 electrons must be added in product position. The next one is BiO3 minus converted into Bi. Here, 3 oxygen, 3 H2 must be added. Because one water molecule, it contains 1 oxygen. 3 water molecule contains 3 oxygen. Then, balance hydrogen atom. Balance hydrogen atom by addition of H plus. Which position? Students, which position? In product position or in reactant position? Addings of H plus. Okay, 3 times 2, 6 hydrogen in product position. Therefore, in reactant position, addings of 6H plus. 6H plus, because 3 times 2, 6, 6H plus. Finally, balance the charge. By addition of what? By addition of electron. Look, 6 times plus 6. 1 times -1, -1. -1 plus 6, plus 5. In reactant position is +5. In product position, look, there is no any charge, 0. Therefore, product position 0. In reactant position is +5. Therefore, in reactant position must be addings of 5 electron. Because 5 plus 5 electron, already 0, balance. The next step is balance the oxidation half reaction electron and the reduction half reaction electron. Already, the oxidation half reaction electron is 5. The reduction half reaction electron is already 5. Already this equation is balanced. Reduction half reaction is balanced. Oxidation half reaction is balanced. Therefore, look, 5 electron cancelled by 5 electron. 6H plus, student. 6H plus cancelled by 6H plus. But the number of H plus here is 8. Therefore, 2H plus is left. What else? Water. 3H2 here. How many H2? 4H2. Is there any remaining water? Yes. In which position? Reactant or product position? In reactant position, how much? 1. The other equation is overall equation. Look, how many remaining water in reactant position? 1. Therefore, H2O. This H2, the remaining one H2, plus Mn plus 2, plus Mn plus 2. This Mn plus 2. Again, in reactant position, BiO3 minus, plus BiO3 minus, BiO3 minus. This is all about in reactant position. In product position is MnO4 minus, MnO4 minus plus Bi plus Bi. Student, what's left? H plus. How many H plus? 2H plus. Then 2H plus. This equation is balanced, but this is in acidic media. In acidic media. The question is balance this equation in basic media. Therefore, in acidic media, finally converting basic media is possible. By what? By addition of H plus. By the way, look at this one. 1H plus plus 1OH minus, it gives us 1H2. Look, 1H2 means 1H plus plus 1OH minus, 1 water. 2H plus 2OH minus, it gives us 2H2. Similarly, 3H plus with 3OH minus, it gives 3H2. This H plus must be changed into OH minus. Now, from the reactant position or the product position, by using of H plus, converted into OH minus. How many H plus here? 2H plus. Therefore, add here 2OH minus. Similarly here, 2OH minus. In basic media, the similar amount of OH minus is added in reactants position, again in product position. How much? It depends on the number of H plus. If this H plus is 5H plus, 5OH minus, 5OH minus. If this one is 10H plus, 10OH minus, 10OH. Why OH minus added in both positions? Because the equation must be balanced. Therefore, 2OH minus here added. But this 2H plus and 2OH minus, it produces what? 2H2. Therefore, these two collectively produces 2H2. Why 2H2? Because 1H plus with 1OH minus, 1 water. 2H plus with 2H minus, it gives 2 water. Therefore, 2H plus plus 2H minus, it gives 2H2, but here is 1H2. This 1H2 again cancelled by 1H2. 1H2 is left. The final equation is net equation. The net equation is 2OH minus plus Mn plus 2 plus BiO3 minus the product position is Mn, this one, O4 minus plus Bi plus the remaining one, H2. This is which media? In basic media. Finally, check this one, 2 oxygen, here 3 oxygen, 5 oxygen, 4 oxygen plus 1 oxygen. Already oxygen is balanced. 1 manganese, 1 manganese. Manganese is balanced. 1 Bi, 1 Bi. Bismuth is balanced. Finally, look the charge. 2 minus, 2 plus, 0, 1 minus. Already 1 minus. This equation is balanced. Students, please try one question for homework and continue. Zn zinc plus NO3 minus converted into ZnO2 2 minus plus NH3. Please students, try this question in basic media. In basic media. In basic media, zinc plus NO3 minus, it gives ZnO2 2 minus. This is zinc 2 minus plus NH3, you know, ammonia. In basic media, this one is try. This is electrolysis of aqueous solution. You know, different solution. This is electrolysis of aqueous solution. You know, a substance conducts electricity, that is known as electrolysis. There are 2 types of conduction. Students, by the way, you know the 2 types of conduction? Okay, the 2 types of conduction is, one is metallic conduction, the other one is electrolytic conduction. Metallic conduction is due to free electrons. Electrolytic conduction is due to free ions. Therefore, this is electrolysis of aqueous solutions. In aqueous solutions, aqueous solution means most of substance, especially for ionic compounds, are soluble in water. Acids are soluble in water. Most of acids, most of base, most of salts are soluble in water. Therefore, the first point is, what is electrolysis? What is electrolysis? Look, this one. Electrolysis is a process in which electrical energy is used. If electrical energy is used to produce chemical changes. Remember, in chapter 3, there are 2 types of process, spontaneous process and non-spontaneous process. This electrolysis, it is a process in which electrical energy is used. Already electrical energy is used to produce chemical changes. When chemical changes takes place, but the process it uses electrical energy. Already this process is a spontaneous process or non-spontaneous process. Nice. This is a non-spontaneous process because continuously uses electricity. A spontaneous process is a process, that process occurs without any external influence. Once started, the reaction simply continues is known as spontaneous process. Non-spontaneous process means continuously it uses electricity, continuously it uses energy, because this one uses energy, because this electrolysis is non-spontaneous process, because continuously uses energy. Therefore, this process is carried out in an electrochemical cell, known as electrolytic or electrolysis cell. Therefore, first, what I mean by electrochemical cell? Look this one. Electrochemical cells are energy converters or energy conversion devices. Remember in the first lesson, electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is what? It deals about energy conversions. Therefore, this is electrochemical cell. It is an energy converter or energy conversion device. Electrochemical cell, it is a device. It is a material that converts what? Electrical energy to chemical energy or chemical energy into electrical energy. Therefore, electrochemical cells are energy converters or energy conversion devices. Therefore, they can convert either chemical energy into electrical energy or electrical energy into chemical energy. Therefore, there are two types of electrochemical cell. It is electrochemical cell, a types of cell, a types of device that convert energy. Simply, electrochemical cells are energy conversion devices. Therefore, there are two types of electrochemical cells. Two types of electrochemical cells. One is electrolytic cell. The other one is voltaic or galvanic cell. Voltaic or galvanic cell discussed in next class or in the previous topic. This one is electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell is electrochemical cell. Voltaic cell also another part of electrochemical cell. In today's only discuss these electrolytic cells. One is electrolytic cell. Remember, two is galvanic cell. Galvanic cell discussed in the next class. Electrolytic cell, it is a type of electrochemical cell that convert electrical energy into chemical energy. Therefore, in electrolytic cell, electricity is used. Because of electricity used in electrolytic cell, non-spontaneous reactions takes place that convert electrical energy into chemical energy. In electrolytic cell, anode is the positive electrode and cathode is the negative electrode. In both types of cell, in electrolytic cell as well as in galvanic cell, anode is present, cathode is present. Students, what is anode and what is cathode? Please, students, try this question and the next class revise by using of anode and cathode. This is all about today's lesson. Until next time, goodbye, students.